Here's a very quick video just to show you how to solo and mute tracks in Reaper and why you might like to do that. You may want to just listen to one particular track because you're just working on figuring things out with that track. So you might want to solo that. That has the same effect as muting all the other tracks. So basically, if you say soloing, you're saying I want just this track to play. Muting, you're saying to the other tracks don't play. It has the same result, but you might think about it, soloing one track's a lot quicker than muting three, even though with Reaper you can just sort of drag the mouse down. It's pretty handy. Likewise with soloing, you might want to solo two tracks. You can drag the mouse around there. That might be more relevant when you have more simultaneous tracks. You might want to hear how this fade in sounds that I've got there. And once you're happy in isolation, you would unsolo it and have a listen. And check it out. You might want to just listen to this particular track and say, you might decide, oh, they're a bit longer than I wanted, and you could then adjust them when you listen to them soloed. It also has the same effect down the bottom here on the mixer, which can be toggled with Control M. If you want more real estate, it can be handy at times. Another thing to note is what you see on the tracks changes depending on how wide the channel strip is. It might just look a little bit different. So if you're sort of watching some tutorials or something and saying, hey, how did he do that? How did she do that? Then just adjust your zoom level and adjust this particular width here. Hope that helped. And if there's any other questions you need answered, just ask me in the comments. Thanks.